energize your day. Nourishing breakfast recipes for sustainable weight loss. Introduction: a wholesome breakfast sets the tone for a healthy day, especially when aiming for weight loss. This comprehensive guide provides a collection of nutrient-dense and satisfying breakfast recipes designed to support your weight loss goals. These dishes are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. The importance of a balanced breakfast. Jumpstarting your metabolism. Understanding how breakfast kickstarts your metabolism. The impact of regular meals on sustaining energy levels. B. Curbing unhealthy cravings. How a nutritious breakfast helps prevent mid-morning snacking on empty calories. Balancing macronutrients to maintain satiety. C. Providing essential nutrients. Ensuring a well-rounded breakfast for vital vitamins and minerals. Filling nutrient gaps to support overall health. 2. Nutrient-dense breakfast options. Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients: Greek yogurt, fresh berries, granola, and honey. Combining protein, fiber, and antioxidants for a filling and flavorful breakfast. B. Avocado and egg toast. Ingredients: whole grain toast, mashed avocado, poached egg, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. A balanced mix of healthy fats, protein, and fiber for sustained energy. Chia spinach and feta omelette. Ingredients: eggs, spinach, feta cheese, tomatoes, and herbs. A protein-packed, low-calorie option rich in vitamins and minerals. D. Overnight oats with chia seeds. Ingredients: rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, and your choice of toppings, e.g., fruits, nuts. A fiber-rich, make-ahead option for busy mornings. 3. Vegetable and chickpea scramble. Ingredients: chickpeas, bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, and spices. A high-fiber, plant-based option loaded with protein and micronutrients. 4. Whole grain pancakes with berries. Ingredients: whole wheat flour, Greek yogurt, eggs, berries, and a drizzle of maple syrup. A fiber-rich, protein-packed alternative to traditional pancakes. V. Smoked salmon and avocado wrap. Ingredients: whole grain wrap, smoked salmon, avocado, cucumber, and cream cheese. A combination of healthy fats, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids for a satisfying breakfast. VI. Practical tips for breakfast success. Meal planning and prepping. Preparing ingredients ahead of time for quick assembly in the morning. Maximizing convenience without sacrificing nutrition. B. Portion control. Being mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. C. Hydration. Starting the day with a glass of water to rehydrate. Incorporating hydrating foods like fruits and herbal teas. 7. Customizing breakfast to your preferences. Catering to dietary needs. Adapting recipes for specific dietary requirements, e.g., vegetarian, gluten-free. Finding alternatives that align with personal health goals. B. Incorporating superfoods. Adding nutrient-dense options like chia seeds, flax seeds, and nuts for an extra boost. Enhancing the nutritional profile of your breakfast choices. Conclusion: a nourishing breakfast is a cornerstone of a balanced, sustainable approach to weight loss. By incorporating these nutrient-dense recipes and adopting mindful eating habits, you can kickstart your day with energy and vitality. Remember, the choices you make in the morning set the stage for a healthy lifestyle. And these recipes are just the beginning of your journey towards nourishing, satisfying breakfasts that support your weight loss goals.